Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the transmission in your lawnmower. My new transmission comes with the pulley assembled. I'll need to disassemble it so I can reinstall the belt. I'll thread the belt through the guard and on top of the pulley. Then I'll reinstall the pulley half and secure it with a nut. Now I'll place the transmission back into the axle assembly. I'll thread one side through the hole in the bracket. The other side goes through the adjuster lever and through the hole in the other bracket. I'll reinstall the bushing and bearing assemblies. I'll reinstall the bearing retainers. The retainer fits into the groove on the transmission axle. Now I'll reinstall the bushings and the dust covers. Now I'll reinstall the clutch. I'll install the gear, and I'll secure the gear with the retaining ring. And now the other side. Now reinstall the wheels. Now install the transmission and axle assembly back into the lawnmower. I'll secure it with the bolts and brackets. I'll reinstall the tension spring. And I'll reinstall the drive cable. I'll reinstall the drive belt onto the pulley. I'll reinstall the belt guard. And I'll reinstall the blade adapter, starting with the woodruff key. And secure it with the bolt. And I'll finish by reinstalling the blades.